and thank you for tuning in to Embrace My Melanin. It's your girl Rochelle, and in today's video, yes, as you saw by the title, we are going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May, okay? So let's go ahead and just dive right in. For this month's theme is called a Mother Nature. Of course, it was just last week. By the time you guys see this video, probably like a week and a half ago, it was Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. I hope you had a beautiful, blessed day. And listen here, if your kids ain't treating you right every single day, get in that ass, because we appreciate our mamas, okay? I am blessed to have two mamas, and I love both of my mamas. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out of the box real quick, it is the AM Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Wipe Removers, okay? So, makeup remover wipes. Okay, so we have that right there. It says it removes even waterproof mascara. Okay, and let's see how much this costs. Okay, so these wipes retail for $17. Okay, I've never heard of this brand. So this is going to be interesting. I am most definitely going to try them and let you guys know about these, okay? All right, so next up, next up we have a mask by Glam Glow. This is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask, okay? And there is right there. Okay, let's see here. Okay, all right. It says a creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with a antioxidant, rich berries, and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. Biome. B-I-O-M-E. Biome. I'm going to say it's biome. I don't know what that word is, okay? All right, but here it is right here. And this retails for $49, okay? So let's take a look at it real quick. Okay. Okay, it smells nice. And there it is right there. Okay, so next up we have something from the brand Tresic, okay, and it is a conceal, cover, and correct crayon right there, okay. Now I've gotten things from my Boxycharm box, and also my Ipsy Glam box, and also their glam bag from Tresic. Before, but I think they were all lip products. I don't think I've ever gotten anything that was like for my face, okay? So I've gotten this concealer pencil right here. It's a conceal and correct and perfect pencil, okay? I don't know if this shade will do for me. Maybe I can use it maybe like as a okay, is it? Oh, okay, and it has a little sponge on the other end. Good, okay. So maybe I can I think it's a little bit too bright for me, but then again, maybe I can like let me get a mirror real quick. Maybe I can conceal like maybe or brighten underneath my my brows. Maybe just to make it just a little bit brighter. And then maybe like, you know, maybe, I don't know. I think it's maybe just a little bit too bright for me and my complexion. I don't know, but I'll see about maybe trying to use it. It's in the shade Toffee. So think it maybe just be just a little bit too light. But then again, I could possibly, you know, if I really want to use a concealer that's really bright underneath my eyes, maybe I could top it off and use it between one of my darker, more natural concealers. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm trying to make it work. I'm trying to make it work, okay? But we have this from Tracique, and it retails for $24, okay? So maybe I'll get back with you guys on that, like maybe in a video. Hopefully it'll work out somehow, because it's light, it's very light, but maybe I can use it with mixing it with something else so it won't be so bright. But it blended, I will say this, it did blend pretty well when I put what little bit I had underneath my eye right there. So that wasn't bad. And it did a pretty good job even blending here. I'm pretty sure you guys can still see it, but it's still, like, in person, it still did blend really well. Really well, okay. All right, so we'll see. I'll see. Okay, so next up, and I got a sample of this. I got a sample of this in one of my orders when I got it from Sephora maybe like a year ago, okay? So I'm kind of excited to get this one. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask right here. You can't see that because it is blinding and in this plastic packaging. But this is, whew, this is really heavy. But here it is right here. I tried this before. Like I said, I got it a little sample of it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. And it was very hydrating on the skin. I will say that. So we got this, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, okay? And this retails for, it's not that bad. This only retails for $22. This only retails for $22. So I wonder how big, oh, wait 1 second. Wait up. They said it's supposed to be 1 fluid ounce. So this is going to last me a while, because it takes me a while to get through a 1 fluid ounce like mask or moisturizer or anything. So this is pretty interesting. I want to see how it's going to last on me, because it just don't look like 1 fluid ounce. 1 fluid ounce is this 1 fluid ounce? Nope, this is 2.5. I don't know, but this is just, it looks like so little, but I've had 1 fluid ounce moisturizers and masks before, and it just, I'll let you guys know how long it lasts for me. But $22, that is not a bad price point at all, okay? Okay, and I'm on my last item here, and it is some brushes, okay? This is the Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit right here, okay? And I get 5 brushes in this kit. Now, I've had Moda Pro before. They're a really good eye brush or face brush brand. I will say that. I've gotten plenty of their brushes over time. And let's see here, the Moda 5-piece brush kit, okay? And this, okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's $27.95, okay? It's well, I don't know. I mean, I've gotten brushes from Moda before, and I know for sure that this brand, I'm not saying these brushes, but this brand is actually sold in Walmart. So I don't know. I think it's good that they're accessible. I will say that, but I wasn't expecting for this to be that much money. maybe $20, but you know, it's not that bad. I mean, it's not that much of a difference, you know, $20 to $27.95. So I mean, really can't complain. But these are some really good brushes right here. Okay, so we have a line brush, a smudge brush, a detail brush, crease brush, and also a shade brush. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that I go ahead and clean these and just add them straight onto my vanity, because these brushes are really good. They're face brushes and everything. They're just really good brushes. So guess I can't complain about the price that much, since I do like them, and I've spent more money on stuff that I didn't like in comparison to stuff that I actually know that I will use and do like. So I really can't complain about the price that much. You know, $27.95, not bad. I think I'm just getting it in my head that because it's sold at Walmart, that, you know, I'm thinking in my head that maybe it'll be more affordable, but I digress. Anyway, okay, so we have Moda brushes, the 5-piece iKit brush set. Okay, and that is it. That is all from this particular box. Okay, so I added it up really quickly, and it comes to a retail value of $139.95 for everything that I got inside the box here today. Okay, not bad, not a bad price point. I will say that this box was a little lackluster. I'm gonna most definitely be seeing how these makeup wipes work, and when I take off this face, most definitely I just might do a mask tonight to see how the Glam Glow works on me tonight too. Okay, and of course I know this. I already love this. I've tried this before, even if it wasn't a sample size. I know that the Glow recipe is going to work on my skin, because I loved it when I got that little sample size. The only one thing that I'm really going to have to test out is the Tresique. What is it? The Tresique concealer right here, 2-in-1 concealer right here. We'll see how that works on me, considering that the shade is just a bit light. Okay. But I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like me and my brand of crazy, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please just go ahead and click the button. I thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to stay blessed, stay beautiful, and please continue to stay safe. See you next time. Bye.